Now children, this is pressure. You have learned in class 7th also. In order to study the climate of any region, it is necessary to keep the pressure belt in mind. These pressure belt shows the movement of the wind which are permanent. They are known as planetary wind. Now you see that earth is a sphere and this earth is divided into 7 pressure belts. At equator we have low pressure area, then we have subtropical high pressure, north subtropical high pressure and south subtropical high pressure, then we have subpolar low pressure and then subpolar low pressure in southern hemisphere also, polar high pressure in north hemisphere and polar high pressure in south hemisphere. Now see what is happening. These are permanent wind. So these are northeast trade wind. They are also known as easterly. And these are southeast trade wind. These arrows are southeast trade wind known as southeasterly. These are northeasterly and these are southeasterly. They are converging at equator. And here you can see equatorial low pressure. Why here pressure is low? Because of high temperature over equator. Now as you know that air always move from high pressure area to low pressure area. So at equator here the wind is converging. Here you can see subtropical high pressure, here also subtropical high pressure. So wind are originated from subtropical high pressure and move towards the equatorial low pressure. And due to Coriolis force, you see that these winds they deflect towards their right in the northern hemisphere and southeast trade wind they deflect towards their left in the southern hemisphere. Now you see next is westerly. When this wind deflect, they became westerly. So these are westerly winds. Again this is a high pressure and here is low pressure. So wind is moving from high pressure area to low pressure area. Same here, when wind deflect towards their left, they become southwesterly. You can see here. Okay, again wind is moving from high pressure area to low pressure area. Now these winds move to their left and became easterly. So this is polar easterly and this is southeasterly and this is northeasterly. When these wind move, they turn towards their right and become northeasterly. Here you can see polar high pressure. Since the temperature is very low, so at poles the wind velocity is very high. So children, you have to keep this pressure belt in your mind. Now if you see the location of India, how these wind affect the Indian climate. So you see that India is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer divide India into 2 equal parts. Hence India is divided into 2 zones, subtropical and tropical. Okay, and in tropical region you can see northeast trade wind is flowing, and in the subtropical region westerly flow is there. So when we study the mechanism of Indian monsoon, we will study about westerly flow as well as easterly flow both. Now thank you children.